Designers Inc. John Heimke DMD.
Digital technology is quickly changing dentistry. Not only can AI help design your smile, 3D printing can now produce it. Here to explain is a dentist who is always on the cutting edge, Dr. John Heimke. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
We've talked about so many cool things over the past year, and this is just incredible because you're putting so many pieces together. So dental AI technology allows you to preview smiles, design smiles, and now you can 3D print smiles?
Yeah, and we've been 3D printing with laboratories for a number of years now. But now we're bringing the 3D printing to the office, to the actual practice. So now I can print in a matter of minutes to an hour. I can print teeth, I can print mouth guards, we can print single teeth, we can print fillings, a whole variety of things.
It's just incredible. All right, so your latest AI tech is the SprintRay Pro 2 3D printer ecosystem.
Right.
Why did you choose that for your Smile Studio?
So I looked at a lot of different printer systems, but this one's very much clinical friendly, I guess is the best way to put it. And the ecosystem means that it's not just a 3D printer. It actually can go to about 35 microns in accuracy, which is, extremely small, like the thickness of a hair, or a little smaller. And but it also has the printer. It has a thing we have to wash the print. We have to cure it so that it becomes firm. But the amount of different things that we can do is amazing. It's not just teeth. It's, like I said, it's mouth guards, it's night guards. We can print models. And if something breaks while we're testing stuff out, we can print a new one in a matter of minutes, like I said.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how does this help your clients?
So it helps them because it gives us precision and efficiency, which is a big thing. Because as you know, a lot of people, even though we have a great office, really don't like coming to the dentist a lot of times. So we want to be able to compress the workflow, make it smooth so that we can get them in and out in a efficient amount of time, and also create beautiful, fabulous precision smiles.
We only have about 45 seconds left, but tell us about the 3D printed veneers and crowns.
Yeah, so the next technology that we're looking at seriously is getting the Midas system by SprintRay. And Midas, we're able to print crowns and veneers, and these are going to be infused with porcelain in them. So it's an amazing technology. It's out there now, so we're looking to get that. So stay tuned for that. But right now we can print temporaries, and we can print, like I said, night guards, and we can also print our implant healing bridges so that people can have their teeth out, implants can go in, and within 24 hours, they're going to have a new smile.
Thank you, Dr. Heimke. For more information, visit the location you're going to see on your screen or go online to everyonelovesmysmile.com or call 888-255-3588.